Today we're going to go through a summary of how to remove and replace the control module on a 3 and 4000 series Allison transmission. You're going to want to start by draining the oil and taking the filter cover bolts off. I understand you're going to be doing this in chassis, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but for ease and accessibility of filming, I did it on a bench. Once you get the service filters out, make sure to check the pleats for signs of clutch or metal debris, which would indicate a transmission failure. Then we're going to go through and take out all the rest of the bolts that hold the control module to the main case. I usually leave 2 bolts across from each other, finger tight, so that the control module doesn't come down suddenly, causing an injury. The 3000 series transmission control module weighs about 60 pounds. The 4000 is about 75 pounds, so you're going to want to have a transmission jack ready underneath the control module before you remove all the bolts. Once the guide pins have broke loose, be prepared to take the weight of the assembly or lower the jack. Once you have the assembly removed from the transmission on a bench, take the internal suction filter off and check for any signs of metal or clutch again. A lot of times when the clutches get delaminated or there's a metal failure inside the transmission, the internal filter can get packed full of clutches, and it's not really beneficial to change the control mod at this point. Further investigation of the internals of the transmission should be done to see what the failure is. If your internal filter is clean and the oil doesn't smell burnt or dark in color, you can replace the gasket that goes between the main case and the control module separator plate and reinstall the control module. Make sure to lube the seal with new transmission fluid before passing it through the main case. Reinstall all the bolts in the control module, torque to 38 to 45 foot-pounds. If you have any questions on this procedure, you can visit our website, wellertruck.com, or you can call 800-872-6697.